Hi everyone, welcome to New Finance and welcome ETC family to another video on Ethereum Classic. So in this video, I want to discuss the recent price action and analyze it a little bit, see what resistance lines we tested in the past day and what has been going on with the market as a whole, and then discuss an article from Forbes that has spoken about the recent 40% rise in the price of Ethereum Classic, with some skepticism coming from some analysts and other analysts believing in the long-term value of ETC, and they end it with a nice price prediction, which I want to also speak about in this video. And the price prediction that is spoken in this article about we spoke about in our previous video, which was predicted using an article from FX Trade, using the pole length, using the bullish flag that we are in at the moment. So starting off, just want to speak about the recent price action on Ethereum Classic. So currently we are trading just above $100, and for the day, the price is down 2% currently, with a daily high of $114 and daily low of $98, with volume being reduced by about 13%, with 11 billion in the Ethereum Classic market. Market dominance is up to 0.52 and market rank is again one up at 16th place. Looking at the market overall, today the market is down about 2.2%, which is quite nicely matches the 3% that we are losing currently on Ethereum Classic. Bitcoin, once again, it has plunged down, not further than it did the other day, but it's still on the daily. We are down 2%, well over 2%, and on the 7-day we're down 16%. Ethereum has once again tested prices below 4,000, but as it hasn't had as much of an effect on the price of Ethereum Classic, which I'm kind of happy to have this more independence for Ethereum Classic. Not too much, but it's still some independence, comparing how much Ethereum is down by around 5%. Compared to 3% on the Ethereum Classic. But overall, they're both down, with the whole market being down. So the fact that Ethereum Classic is holding above $100 at the moment, I'm very happy, because it's a nice psychological level and a level between just above the demand zone, consolidating still above that resistance line of the bullish flag that we discussed in the other video, which had the resistance line at 100 and the support line at 60, and currently we're still trading above that resistance line, exposing us to a high probability of a spike to the upward direction. Without further ado, guys, before I touch on the article, I just want you guys to hit that subscribe button if you still are not subscribed to the channel, because I'll be doing a lot more videos and keeping you guys up to date on ETC and hopefully other cryptocurrencies as well. And hit the like button if you enjoyed and saw some benefit from this video so far. So going into the article that I want to discuss from Forbes is from Charles Bouviard, and he went to open up with Ethereum Classic prices surge more than 40% in less than 24 hours. Ethereum Classic prices have shown some strength lately, rallying more than 40% between yesterday afternoon and this morning, as many digital currencies experienced gains. So it reached around $110. It closed at this range around 7 a.m. and up 41.2% from yesterday's low of 78. And they've been using data from CoinDesk to bring you guys those analysis. And then investors seeking quick gains have been once again used as a reason behind the recent rise in the price. With Colin Plume, a person we've quoted before in our videos, is saying the boost is primarily motivated by investors looking for quick gains. And Michael Cohen, and also another president who's chairman CEO on Zilliqa Capital, also said investors are in the search for altcoins that can deliver outsized returns, putting shade on ETC, saying the prices that it's trading at the moment are overpriced and the returns that we are seeing are oversized. And then moving on to Ethereum Classic, being within this trust, Grayscale Trust, being another reason behind the recent rise behind the price of ETC, with people having to cover their positions within ETCG, which is an investment trust within Grayscale. Um, and then looking at ETC with a more bullish outlook, Plume also went on to claim that while the digital currency's price will experience a correction in near term, in his opinion, it will benefit over the long term from the anticipation surrounding key technological updates. So, as discussed previously, ETC and Ethereum are experiencing technological updates. Private development companies working on ETC and Ethereum to upgrade it, and they speak about the anticipated Ethereum's move to 2.0 could benefit Ethereum Classic, that will push Ethereum Classic to becoming the only smart programmable blockchain with fixed supply on proof of work. So it will make it the only cryptocurrency working within these parameters. As Ethereum Classic gets used and tested, we can expect its reputation to build its own value the same way Ethereum has. So regardless of what the reason is behind ETC rising in its price, it doesn't matter as long as it's able to maintain it and build a reputation for holding these prices. Just the way Ethereum did, they say Ethereum Classic can follow suit as well. And Colin Plumes also predicts that this rise will pave the way for steady climb to 500. 500 is a magic number that we have previously spoken about in the article from FX Trade, speaking about how if we escape the resistance line at 100 and we see another spike to the upside, we could see 500 if we do beat the all-time high at 180, around 180. And I want to end by just looking at the price action that we've been seeing in the past day. So it did surge from $78 all the way to test 114.5, but could not close on it or above it, and then came back down to around $99.5 and then went back up to 113, and once again it could not close above it or maintain it, and it went as far as $111, closed at $111, and currently trading around $102. So as you can see, guys, it is trying to test that 114.5 resistance line that we've spoken about in previous videos, and once it does, I would say, close above these levels or beat it by a mile, then we can expect another 10% surge to 128, followed by 150, the all-time high, and then 200 and beyond, guys. So currently, the levels to watch, it would be to see if ETC can hold the psychological barrier that we're in at the moment at $100, and then the demand zone from $86 to $99. And then if that is broken, we're looking for support at the SMA line at around $75. If that's beaten, we're looking at support around 70 $72, and if that's beaten, we're looking at around 60. So these are the two scenarios, guys. By no means this is financial advice, but just my own analysis about just trying to predict where the next move might come with ETC. And if we can predict its movement a few moves ahead, if we can predict it, the signs of it moving in the downward direction, we can make decisions. And if we can predict it, its signs to the upward direction, and take action as they occur step by step, we can take profits from our investment as well. So guys, once again, not financial advice, but just my opinion using these article and the information available on the charts. So do your own due diligence before making the final decision. I would leave a link to this article and the article that we discussed yesterday to analyze yourself and make the final decision, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button as well, and follow us on Instagram as well. I'll see you guys in the next one.